my name's Catherine, and these are starting to fall asleep. My parents say I'm the chicken whisperer, and I think I am too. So, they're just calm, and I'm calm, and they even stand my hand. But sometimes I make some beds for them, and they also don't really stand it. I gave them some water and food, and also, they're really soft and cute. And they smell good too. And, they're starting to fall asleep right now.
Do you have names for them?
I named one Olivia and Nugget.
Nugget. Oh, cool.
And so, now, sometimes they fall off a lot. And they're really calm right now. But sometimes when they go on your legs, they tickle you sometimes.
Cool.
Bye.
Okay, bye.